Oh yeah.
Yeah, hi, I'm Matt from TTspares.
And I'm Andy. We do all aspects of repairs on Mk1 Audi TTs and other Audis. You'll have seen our previous videos. We have broke our track car quite horrifically. The front hub decided to snap off. So we've put that down to the nut type outer CV joint we were using. It's quite likely for it to go loose under really high horsepower applications, and I think that then in turn damaged the inner wheel bearing, which is seized up solid and the wheels continue spinning, which has is why we've snapped ours off. So to rectify that, we've gone to the bolt type, which is the later one, and we've used low-bro outer CV joints, which are good quality, and that should solve that long term, and we shouldn't have any more problems with it.
Power, but the next thing to look at is the brakes, because we felt like the brakes weren't strong enough at that horsepower, and we were struggling to stop, so I was backing off a little bit. So,
right, so as you know, on the Mk1 TT, they'll use this caliper as standard. It's just a single piston push to pull thing on a 312mm disc, and the common upgrade is the Brembo Leon Cooper caliper. Now,
similar to this one, but I may have melted this one a little tiny bit by when the CV failed, the disc fell on it, and it got that hot that it actually just leaked all its fluid out the middle.
And we're looking at
this, which is a Clio Megane 197 Brembo caliper. You can get them brand new, refurbed. They're really good quality, and also they're not 20 years old. Similar braking capacity as the LCR1 Brembo, but none of the issues with the age. And obviously this is the adapter, so you can fit that to the car.
We have these because I thought they were a bargain on eBay for £520. I was wrong. To get them to fit on the car, we need these humongous discs. Now, they are not cheap. The entire kit consisted of adapters to fit the calipers, pads, centres, discs and hardware, and for that £1,300. Quality isn't cheap. They're fully floating, they're 364mm.
And these were £500?
£520.
£520 just for the calipers, so all in all we're looking at about 1,800 quid. And we need to still order the new braided brake lines, because obviously they're not the same as the LCR1 Brembos.
So we'll get them fitted and we'll come back to you. Just for visual representation, this is 364mm, this is 323mm, and this is the standard 312mm.
We're using a 15mm spacer so we can clear the caliper. It's hub centric,